hit the back. It says maintenance required, and you cycle through, go to vehicle settings.
Scheduled maintenance, is that it?
Yeah. And
Restart. Yep. Oh, cool.
Oops. I hit the reset data. It's been reset.
So let's go back.
And then go back.
And how do I get back to like my main screen? Oh, well, no.
Steering assist. Hit back. Can you hit back again? Will that work? No.
I'm trying to hit back.
Maybe it'll time out.
Yeah.
Maybe go left and go to. Oh, it did.
When we turn the car back on again.
Oh.
I think this was what it was before.
Well, right there.
Yeah.
Does your car have does it show like the mileage? Yeah, I mean how fast you're going digitally? I think it says like 20 miles. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
let me figure out how to do it. It does, but I think it's whenever we turn the car back on, it might show it.
Oh, okay.
I don't really know how to go back.
I guess maybe turn the engine off. There you go. Yeah, well, the maintenance, it's not. Is it the same thing? Is that where you want to be, or?
Well, no, oh, there it is.
I was forgetting. Alright.
Well, I
Okay.
swear it normally has. I've seen highway miles on there too.
There's that. 24.3 average. Oh, because you city drive a lot. Oh, okay, average 25.1 miles per gallon. Mine's got the sway warning too.
Yeah, I hate that thing.
I think it's if you have like
always have it off.
Cruise control on, and then now this vehicle is 2019 Toyota RAV4. I noticed when you open this, it looks a little janky behind that, but it works though. But it's just don't want to pull too hard on that or it'll break. I have a video where see how I open a door and then these lights up here, they did not come on because I pressed this button right here. It's the setting, and so I did that, and it's just a setting. I got a video up on it. So what I was going to show you is the auto light. You press this button down here, it's the auto high beam, so you press that. Then up here you push this in. My hands are dirty, oily. You push this in, push that way, this control cluster, you push it that way for your high beam to come on, and that you'll see a light on the dash up there. I don't have the vehicle on right now, but I guess I could quickly show you. Yeah, I'll quickly show you because it's a video, and you guys see how it's done. Let me open the garage a little bit. So let me turn this bad boy on, and then so I'm gonna press this button down here. Oh, it's already on. Press it on. Then up here to activate automatic high beam, switch headlights to high beam. So push that, and then it should be. Oh, I got to turn it on. Turn on the lights, and then I pushed it forward, and now up there, you can't see, it's blurry, but it says A. It's auto, and then that's the light. So I'm gonna push back on it. That turns off auto, so it'll automatically turn on. I can't believe that's so blurry. It's not. It's my phone camera. Yeah, auto. See that? Auto high beam. Yeah. So that's how you do that. I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want it. I don't use my high beams. All right, and then so turn the key, you push in, turn it left, and pull it out. I really liked my 2010 where it was a push button. There's a button up here and you pushed it. That's how you turned it on and off. But 9 years later, I think even earlier, they did away with that. So then the cool thing about this key is push this button in and you close that. And if you want to open it, you push this button. That's cool. I think that's cool. So yeah, and you can remote start this vehicle. It's 2019. It's the one that looks like a little key and a phallic. It's like a key / phallic symbol. But you hold it in for 5-10 seconds and it'll start the car. But I'll make a video on that eventually. Now these lights are on. Let me turn these off. So I got the lights off and all is well in the universe. So I'm gonna probably close the garage here in a minute. I didn't want to turn the vehicle on with a closed garage because that's, carbon monoxide and exhaust, and you don't want to breathe that in. So 2019 Toyota RAV4. I'm in my gym shorts. So yeah, 2019 Toyota RAV4. And then I got quarters right here. Bunch of quarters here. I can't wait to use the snow feature. Mud and sand, rock and dirt, sport, normal, and I always have an eco mode. This thing is getting like 32 miles per gallon on the interstate, which is awesome. I think it'll get even more because it'll adapt and learn from my driving. You drive the interstate a lot, so it should go up, which is amazing because the gas mileage is pretty great on this vehicle. And so yeah. Have a great and wonderful day. And just get that on there snug. I mean, you don't want to overdo it. Whoever invented a flathead screw has something wrong with them. But anyway, so that's how you just screw that on. And oh, okay, kitty, what are you doing? Just taking off some advertisement from the yeah, taking off some advertisement from the, just want the license plate on there and on the advertisement. I mean, I don't have anything against the place I bought the vehicle from. Advertise something, it's not your own. You know what I mean, chicken wings? Yeah, so this is the back of the bracket. There's 2 screws or whatever that I took off. I smashed my finger lifting weights. But anyway, I don't want the other side has the advertisement. I don't want the advertisement on there. So you just unscrew it. I use a flathead screwdriver because it's a flathead screw. Yours might be different. You can also use a torque wrench or a socket on that. I don't know. You might be able to do that. But anyway, flathead screwdriver. So, and then it's just where the holes are. You put the new license plate up and you screw it on there. So that's what that looks like without the license plate. All right, the RAV4. So I'm taking off the license plate advertisement. When you buy a vehicle, it comes with some type of advertisement. So flathead screwdriver, and I already took off one of the little screws. There's 2 of them. It's flathead. See, I don't want to show you because it's the license plate, but you take both screws off, and here I'll show you in a second.